Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily enable the Net Framework 3.5 in Windows 11. To begin, go to your search bar in Windows 11 and type Turn Windows Features on or off and click on it to open. If you are not the admin of the computer, you might be asked to enter the password. This little window will open for you, so click to have it ticked and click OK. Normally, you should be prompted to restart your computer, and after the restart, it should be working. If you see this searching for required files, make sure to connect to the internet so that if it doesn't find the required files on your computer, it should be able to download it automatically from internet. Once done, you will be asked or prompted to restart your computer, and after the restart, the Net Framework will be enabled for you. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.